Good morning, real estate. Another real estate day today while Zeke and mommy are eating. Hi mommy. My mom is very cute. We are on our way to meet our client because today is the inspection of her unit in Casa Mira South. She bought this unit last year. It was supposed to be ready for occupancy, but she chose to pay it in 12 months instead of just cash, so that it will be much lighter for her. So now we are on our way to meet her. We are here! We have arrived in Casa Mira South. Now we are heading to the office so that we can speak with the manager here, property manager, speak with the property manager and with the client. So let's go. There's the client, there's my baby.
And then we can proceed for the acceptance of the unit na.
Orientation is done, so we'll wait for Ivan or Shinli to accompany us to the house. Si Zeke, nibalik siya sa sakyanan kay ganahan siya mo swim. So gibuyag siya ni Marge. Play na lang sa sila. Zeke! This is the house. It's already ready. Three bedrooms, Dini?
Yes.
What? So nice. I forgot that this is 3 bedrooms. It's so nice. Last week we opened Casa Mira Phase 4, and in just 36 hours we sold it out. And I was able to sell some units, but ultimately it got sold out in less than 2 days. So this is the best low-cost housing in Cebu. It's called Casa Mira by Cebu Landmasters. We built with you in mind. Inspection is done. We're on our way back to Fuda because our client is no other than Tadan! Nipalit siya balay kay ganahan siya na siya balay. And very good decision kay very affordable. Less than 2M.
Follow auntie, follow auntie.
The auntie has left the building and the baby has been looking for her. Mingaw na siya kay yaman ang favorite playmate yung auntie. So ang usarag yung solution ani, I don't know if you will agree. You can comment down below if you agree. Type yes, I agree. If you agree, the only solution for this thing is a sibling. A sibling.
You want a baby sister?
A baby brother or a baby sister? Zeke? Yes, Zeke? You like? Zeke is asleep while I am here in Corona del Mar. I will be viewing a house here that's owned by my ninang, my godmother. And it's quite big. It's quite a big house. I'm gonna post the lot area here. Number of bedrooms, number of toilets. I'm inside the house. This is included, the couch. They also have here The dining set is also included. And they have a wonderful kitchen. Oh no, it's too dark. They have light. Ah, they have light. So the kitchen here, it's quite nice. Going up the stairs. Wow. We'll have a bed. The bed is included. See, bed here, and then cabinet, bedroom 1. Bedroom 1. What do we have here? Oh, it's a toilet. Next bedroom. Bedroom has a closet, computer table. There's an aircon. And the last bedroom.
Master's bedroom.
Master. This is the master bedroom.
Oh, pwede na sir.
CR. This is the toilet. This is the toilet. And then we have a closet. Bed is included. Very nice. Very big garage. Can fit about 2 cars, 2 or 3 cars. Zeke is awake, shooting is done, and we are here at the clubhouse. We're trying to see if it's video worthy. Announcement to all homeowners. We're not homeowners. The clubhouse is not a clubhouse, it's a park. It's so big. And I don't want to take a video inside because it's simply just too big, and it's also too windy. It's very risky to shoot using my drone. I don't want to walk around. I'm already tired. It's already 5. Oh no, it's still 4. So we've decided to forego shooting using the drone. Padagano tana mo si Zeke because the place is beautiful. Do I have friends who live here? Can you invite us? Okay, nindot kay padagandaganan ang butchok. Anyway, so that's it. That's the end of our day, of our real estate day. We have visited Naga we accompanied our client, my sister, in inspecting her unit. And then number 2, shot the house for sale of my ninang. And number 3, which I haven't told you yet, I'm opening a business. I shot the lot for sale of a teammate, and it's not for free. I charged him, you know. So see you tomorrow. Bye.